Hey guys! So you recently saw my version of the national anthem, the Star Spangled Banner. So here I'm going to teach you a tutorial on what you need to know to be able to sign the song yourself as well. So first off, let's go ahead and go over each line of the song. Okay, so I started off with this is the sign like wow, or awesome, or whoa. Okay, so whoa, or awesome, wow. Okay, and then this is all of you. Can all of you see or looking at something? So I'm specifically setting my flag right here. And so each time that I refer back to the flag will be on this side. The flag will be what I'm looking up to. So all of my signs, rather than just looking straight ahead, will be looking up to the side. And it's not just looking straight ahead of me, it's actually looking upward because that's where the flag is placed. At least in my setup for the song. Okay, so wow. All of you, are you looking? Do you see it? Okay, so this is the sign for sunrise, for dawn. So this represents the sun. This is the horizon. So it's coming up over the horizon and you're just starting to see a little tiny bit of a glow and then it becomes a bigger glow. So I could even have it go up to the flag to illuminate what you're being able to see, to being able to see the flag for the first time, to know that it's still there. So it's illuminating, it's getting brighter. Okay, then we can talk about how proud we are. So this is the sign proud. And then how we can honor. There we go. So this is the sign honor. So we're doing it up to the flag because we're giving honor to the flag. Okay, then we can show the darkness. So I'm doing it this way, just how I did the light this way. I'm doing it where it's starting to get darker, and then this is the sign for dark. So it's starting to get darker, and then it becomes dark. Okay, then from there, then I have each of the stripes for the flag. So this is a classifier G that represents each stripe for the flag. And then I say this is the sign for stars. So then the stars, and you have, just like how we have on the flag, has stars like that. So this just means that it's like a whole bunch of dots like that. So we have the flag, the stripes, and then we have the stars that way. Okay, then we have horrible, tremendous, terrible, awful, all of those for this sign. So you're actually doing a number 8 hand shape on both hands and you're flicking it. It's horrible, horrible. So horrible, this is the sign for war, and then the sign for fight. Okay, this is ramparts. So your dominant hand is going to start off on top. So the ramparts were something that was able to provide them some cover to be able to look out over. So it's something that they're looking over. So this one we're putting here, and then we switch arms to here, and then you're going to be looking over the rampart. So you could do it just like watching up at one spot, or it could be watching the whole entire scene. Maybe they're looking for the flag, maybe it's someone farther away, not necessarily you. Okay, and then they're able to see it. You could also do this one, which is like to spot something. So, they saw it, or they saw that the flag was waving there. So this is the sign for flag. So you have flag here, but you can also do it where the flag is up here, and you can see how I move my hand shows how the flag is waving. So if it's waving fast, or if it's just gently streaming back and forth. So there's a lot that you can do with just the movement of the sign flag itself. So from there we have, so we see that the flag is still there waving. Okay, so this is the sign for rocket. So I'm just gonna put my hand here, and you can do rocket going this way. I've seen different versions of this one, but this is the one I like the most. So rocket going up this way. And then we see, so this is rocket, and then red, and then this is the sign for bomb or explosion. So you go with S's here, they go cross, my hands are touching, and then they go back, and they wave open, and go back closed. So it opens up, so if you think of like a firework, how it starts off whenever it shoots up, like that, and then it closes, and it's closed, and then it opens up, and then goes back to where it looks like to us, how maybe it goes back together, or how it just kind of like goes to nothing. So it's this way, and this way. Okay, so, and then we can see, and this is the sign all night. Okay, so this is how we have morning, noon, afternoon, night, and then goes back to all night. So this is why we have the sign coming up over the horizon like the dawn. So this is all night. Okay, so all night the flag is waving still. It's continuing to be there. Then we can say, wow. We can go back to our description of the flag itself. So you have the classifier for each of the stripes, you have the stars, and then you have the classifier for showing all of the stars together like that. Then we have the flag that's waving, and this can show that something is being not established, but something is being put into place. It's being held firmly. It's not going anywhere. It's being set there, almost like a monument or like a foundation. This would be the sign that you'd use to say the like world record, something that's like being set in stone. So you can see that it's still set there. It's continuing to wave is the sign that I used. And then you could say the all over. So this is the sign land, which I chose to adapt for all over, for the whole entire land. Yes, this is the sign for salvation. If you do it with F's, it could be freedom specifically, or I's is independence, or you can simply just use this sign to be able to show the same concept. Okay, so all over the whole land of the free, the saved. Okay, and then I signed America because that's the land that I'm referring to in the sign. Also fits nicely in between the parts of the song where G Star Swain is actually singing and taking a bit longer of a break during that time, so I have more time to add to it. So I could say America, which is the home here, that's where I'm at, America, of the brave. Okay, so let's run through it just one more time. So wow, you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watch were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare and the bombs bursting in air gave rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, you gave proof, you see, all night that the flag was still there. Wow. So, oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free, which is America. It's the home here of the brave. Awesome. You guys have a happy 4th of July. Enjoy my version of the Star Spangled Banner, and thank you to G Star Swain for your amazing version of the Star Spangled Banner, which inspired me to actually sign this version of it. Have a great day. Happy 4th of July. Again, happy 4th of July. You can also check out my vocabulary video for the 4th of July, all of the vocabulary you could use to be able to discuss the 4th of July. Hey guys, bye.